Hello, I'm Emily from ImagineIF Libraries. Today, we'll explore how to get started with Hoopla. Hoopla is an app with thousands of ebooks, audiobooks, movies, TV shows, and music that you can access for free with an ImagineIF Library card. To begin, download the Hoopla app to your device and open it. You'll be prompted to set up an account. Enter your email address, create a password, and click Next. Choose ImagineIF Libraries from the suggested list. You may need to use the search function. Then click Agree. Enter your library card number. If you don't have a library card, use the provided link to easily sign up for one online. Once you click Next, your account setup is complete. To begin browsing for titles to borrow, use the buttons on the bottom of the screen. Select a title you're interested in to see more information about it. Click Borrow if you'd like to check it out. Keep in mind that you can only borrow up to 10 titles per month. Once you've borrowed a title, you can stream it or download it to your device for offline use. TV shows are available to borrow, but each individual episode counts toward the 10-item per month limit. You can also click the scrolling banners across the top of the screen to explore Hoopla's curated collections. Or use the search button in the bottom right corner to find a specific title or creator you're looking for. Now you're ready to get started with Hoopla. Contact ImagineIF Libraries with any further questions. Happy browsing, and thanks for watching.